Guys, I'm Polash from the Tech by Plus. Today I will show you how to open a free website with WordPress. Okay, we will open the website in 3 steps. Step 1, log into python.io. Step 2, install WordPress. Step 3, customize website. Okay, link the below in description. Go to Chrome and search python.io. Okay, and search Python. And search Python. P-A-N. Search python.io. See the link P-A-N-T-H-E-O-N.io. Click the link and first link, click and enter the face this website. At first create a login. Just click get start and see the interface. Okay, just click sign in with Google and click I agree to Python's terms of use and click sign with Google and click login your email. Just wait. Okay. Some last details to finish your registration. So at first, fill up your form. Write first name Polash and write last name KSN. Select your country. I'm select Bangladesh. And yes, are you an agency? I'm an individual, so I click no. I agree to Python's terms service, of course. Click here and continue. And continue. Just wait. It's loading. Okay. Finally, we are create python.io and click create a new site. Okay. Just wait. It's loading. And what kind of website are you creating? WordPress, Drupal 7. We'll create WordPress, so click WordPress. And finally, loading dashboard. Okay, name your Python site. Click here and write your site name. Okay, all right. P-O-R-T, port, F-O-L-I, portfolio, P-O-L-A-S-S. Okay. Your Python development site URL, just see this link. Okay. Choose a region for the site, United States. It's good. Okay. Just click continue. Okay. Developing WordPress complete. Visit your Python site dashboard. Okay. Just click site admin. Okay. English United States. It's okay. And continue. Site title name. This name display your site. But don't worry, you can always change this setting later. Okay. All right. You are Port OLIN Leo. Portfolio Polash. Okay. Username writes admin at MIA admin. Okay. Strong password. You will need this password to log in. Please store in a secure location. That's hard password. Okay. Email address and install WordPress. Finally, install WordPress. And save username admin and username password. Just click login. Okay. Just click login. Finally, where install WordPress. Step number 2, complete, and step number 3, customize our website. So you click just plugin. And you see our website, how look, click visit site. And finally you see our website, portfolio Polash and hello world. Where sense is look, just click dashboard and where install plugin. So click plugin and click add new. Okay. Search Astra. ASTRA. Sorry. ASTRA. Astra. And this plugin install now. And click activate. Okay. And see C library. Just click here. Okay. Build your website now. Click here. And select place builder. It's no, just click Elementor. Okay. Finally, click personal site and portfolio and CV. Click portfolio and CV and look see website and personal portfolio and CV. We just click here and see look like. Just wait, it's loading. Okay, our website look like. Okay, it's good. Okay, just click skip and continue. And where can since theme color, just click. Hello. Okay. And it's good. Okay. You can sense fonts. Let fair display. This fonts is good. And pins also good. Roboto, it's good. But I select let fair display. It's good for me. Okay. Just click here and continue. Okay. Click first name and your email. I'm beginner, myself and my company. Okay. Submit and build my website. Click here. Okay. Your website building it just take a few minutes. Just wait. Okay. Congratulations, your website is ready and it took just 36 seconds to build. Okay. View our website. Okay. This link, portfolio plus python.io. Okay. Look like our website. Okay.